Welcome to my course in physical geology. My name is Vince Cronin, and today I'm coming to you from my crowded and somewhat chaotic home office near Waco, Texas. Now, there isn't much educational value in looking at my face, so I won't be making these sorts of face-to-computer videos much in the future. But I thought I would start by saying hi to you in person, more or less. I'm a tenured professor of geosciences at Baylor and have taught traditional versions of this course for 32 years. I am intensely aware that our time together is quite short. Time is not elastic, and our energy is not infinite. So I'm going to try my very best to be as efficient as I can be in helping you to learn about our planet. Some of my earliest memories are of hiking in Yosemite. There always seems to be something extraordinary and amazing around every bend in the trail. Indeed, my conception of this course is that of a stroll through a space where there's always something new and fascinating lying just ahead, something like a guided treasure hunt. The map through this course is provided by its syllabus, which will change almost every day as we make our way through the material. The syllabus is a web page on my family's website, which is linked from our course page in Canvas. The primary educational resources you're going to need include the paper version of the AGI NAGT Laboratory Manual in Physical Geology, looks sort of like that, and the e-text of a textbook called Earth by Tarbuck, Lutkins, Linneman, and so forth. We're dealing with the 13th edition of Earth and the brand new 12th edition of Physical Geology, which I'll refer to as the lab manual. We're also going to be using the online resource Mastering Geology that you can access through Baylor's implementation of the Canvas Learning Management System. The videos I produce for you will be accessible via YouTube. I'll send you emails on a regular basis through Canvas alerting you to various events in the course. My job is to organize the material and pose questions for you to investigate. While we need to move through the material at a reasonably steady rate and in a particular order, you can decide when to work on the course on a given day. That's because this is a largely asynchronous course, meaning that we will not all be meeting online to do the same thing at the same time. That gives you a lot of flexibility to manage your time. I understand that you have other time commitments and responsibilities. Your lab sessions are in the form of discussion sections in Microsoft Teams that begin on the day and at the time your lab section is scheduled to meet. So the lab sessions are synchronous, meaning that all of the members of your lab section will meet to do the same thing at the same time. Each virtual lab meeting is a time for you to ask questions so that you can finalize your lab assignments before they're due the very next day. Your success in this course depends on how responsible you are in keeping up with the flow of material. You're going to need to dedicate a few hours a day to this course. All of the activities, homework, and online quizzes will have due dates. Communicate with me by email, text, or phone if you're going to have any problem getting your work submitted on time. I am here to help you be successful. I've provided you with my email address and my mobile phone number for text and voice communications. Don't call before 8 a.m. or after 8 p.m. My online office hours are every afternoon at 4 p.m. Central Time, so you can choose to drop in and ask questions virtually face-to-face, or choose not to. They're voluntary. And I encourage you to communicate with each other by whatever means you find convenient. We all need help and encouragement from time to time. Just remember that the work you submit for credit in this course must be your own work. You're big boys and girls who should understand that cheating is beneath your dignity. So let's get started. Today's work is posted on the syllabus.